In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vibe code for the web using only Cursor AI and how Next.js creates your project after you name it and complete the setup wizard. First, let's set the stage. If you've tried vibe coding for iOS, you know it typically means juggling two development environments at once: Xcode for building and running the app, and Cursor AI for AI-assisted coding. That split workflow works, but it can add friction. The great news is that vibe coding for the web is simpler. You can stay entirely inside Cursor AI, keep your focus in a single place, and let the AI help you create, shape, and refine your project without context switching. Here's what that looks like in practice. Inside Cursor AI, you'll start by providing a project name. Think of this as your project's anchor. Choose something descriptive and easy to recognize because that name often becomes the folder name and appears in configuration files. Clear naming helps both you and the AI maintain a consistent mental model of the app you're building. Once you've named the project, Cursor will guide you through a brief setup wizard. This is the standard Next.js initialization flow presented right inside the Cursor experience. You'll be prompted to confirm a few preferences that influence how your project is scaffolded. Depending on the options, the wizard may ask about things like TypeScript, linting, styling choices, or the routing approach. There's no pressure to get everything perfect the first time. These are configurable later, but it's helpful to pick defaults that match how you like to work. When in doubt, keep it simple so you can move quickly. As soon as you finish the wizard, Next.js takes over and generates a new project for you. Behind the scenes, it creates the core structure you expect from a modern web app: a project directory, the essential configuration files, and a starting point for pages or the app router. You'll also see a package configuration that defines common scripts for developing and building your app, plus a basic layout that's ready for you to customize. The result is a clean, professional scaffold, built automatically and configured according to the choices you just made. From here, you can continue collaborating with Cursor AI to evolve your codebase. Because everything happened inside one environment, your context and history are already there, making it easier to iterate, refactor, and explain your intent as you go. That's the core advantage: a focused, AI-assisted workflow that stays in flow from naming your project through setup to a ready-to-build Next.js app.